Hi friends, good morning. Let us see our next problem. See, a dog chases rabbit. The rabbit is 40 meters ahead from dog. The rabbit can jump 6 times in a time in which the dog can jump only 4 times. So, rabbit 6 times, that means in 6 jumps of rabbit is equal to 4 jumps of dog. So in a time in which rabbit takes 6 times 6 jumps, dog takes only 4 jumps. And now the rabbit is 40 meters ahead of dog. 40 meters ahead of dog. So in one more thing is given. The distance covered by the rabbit in one jump is 1 meter, whereas 2.5 meters in case of dog. In 4 jumps, dog moves 10 meters, whereas rabbit moves only 6 meters. So in 4 jumps of dog, it can move 10 minus 6. It can move 4 meters more than the rabbit. In 4 jumps of dog, it can move 4 meters more than the rabbit. Here, to catch the rabbit, dog has to move 40 meters more than the rabbit. So, to move 4 meters more, it requires 4 jumps. So, to move 40 meters more than the rabbit, it requires 40 jumps. Okay friends, thank you. Have a nice day.